Let's pack for an entire summer trip to a big city with just 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 layering pieces, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 bonus item. No, it's not a gimmick. Yes, I actually pack this way, and you can too. Welcome or welcome back. I'm Jess of Okayest Family Travels. Today we're talking about the 54321 packing method. It's simple, practical, and doesn't require a spreadsheet, color coded labels, or sacrificing style in the name of minimalism. This version is specifically designed for someone over 40 heading to a big city in the summer. Now, many creators will call this or any capsule method a gimmick or a viral trend that doesn't work in real life, but these systems actually work for me. They help me limit what I'm bringing, not spend my precious vacation time trying to decide what to wear, and prevent the what if items. And P.S., posting a video about how capsule methods suck is clickbait too. The real secret? I cheat. And by cheat, I mean I buy matching clothing sets. Before anyone gets judgmental, hear me out. Matching sets instantly create put together looking outfits, but each piece also works separately. It's basically multiplying your wardrobe without multiplying your luggage, and frankly, that's the kind of easy math I like. Buying coordinated separates has completely changed how I pack. Each set works as a complete outfit, but every top mixes with every other bottom. Let's build the capsule. First up, the 5 tops. 3 of them come from coordinating sets, which means they already match the bottoms in the capsule. That's 3 decisions I don't have to make before coffee. Then I add a classic white tee. You cannot overestimate the usefulness of a good white tee. It works with everything, brightens every outfit, and somehow convinces people you're effortlessly chic, instead of desperately trying to remember what day of vacation it is. My 5th top is a navy tank with white stripes. It's timeless, slightly nautical, and says, I'm casually strolling through the city, instead of, I packed entirely in black because I panicked. Now the 4 bottoms. Again, 3 are included as part of matching sets. Done and done. The 4th piece is a light blue gauzy maxi skirt, and I absolutely love this addition because it moves beautifully, keeps you cool, and immediately elevates even the simple white tee. Summer in a city is unpredictable. During the day it's 80 degrees and at night it's 60, or that's what the air conditioning is set to. That's why our 3 layering pieces are in their spot. First is a white gauzy button down. If you're like me, and I know I am, this is a wardrobe staple you don't leave home without. Second is a large wrap with a fun pattern. This is the Swiss Army knife of travel accessories. It's a shawl on chilly flights, it's a scarf, it's a blanket, it's emergency modesty when church requires covered shoulders, it's a pillow when your gate changes for the 4th time. And third is a lightweight cardigan, neutral enough to work with every outfit while softening everything it touches. Here's where people usually panic. Only 2 pairs of shoes? Trust me when I say this can work. Pair number 1 is a pair of red Vivea sneakerinas. They're comfortable enough for miles of walking while adding a fun pop of color that keeps outfits interesting. Pair number 2 is a pair of white Birkenstock Giza sandals. Easy, supportive, breathable, and great for popping out to something quick or for letting those tootsies breathe after a day in your sneakerinas. Now, you can include a pair of thin flip-flops if you want to, but these sandals really do a lot of the heavy lifting here. And if I pack these, I don't need flip-flops. And remember, wear the bulkier shoes on the plane. Your luggage doesn't need to carry what your feet already can. Now for the 1 bonus item. For me, that's a dress. The best part is that it layers beautifully with the white gauzy button down or the beige cardigan, and you can completely change the vibe with your accessories. Pair it with the red sneakerinas for a day of exploring, or the white Birkenstocks for an easy breezy summer look. Accessories do the heavy lifting without taking up precious suitcase space. I carry a small red leather crossbody for everyday sightseeing. It's secure, hands-free, and coordinates beautifully with the red sneakers. For shopping days or carrying extra layers, I pack a Longchamp La Pliage tote in the paper color. A baseball cap handles bad hair days and relentless sunshine. Fun sunglasses hide any under-eye baggage jet lag may have gifted you, as well as protect those baby blues. And simple silver jewelry adds polish without requiring an armed security escort. The beauty of neutral clothing is that accessories become the personality, and unlike packing 5 extra dresses, they barely weigh anything. Remember to also pack a swimsuit, PJs, and enough undergarments to crap your pants 3 times a day, even though that is yet to happen. Or maybe that's just me. Here's the part nobody talks about. Packing light isn't just about bringing fewer clothes, it's about taking care of the clothes you bring. Pack fabric refresher spray, Hang your outfits as soon as you unpack and after wearing them so they air out overnight. Whenever possible, choose fabrics that are naturally wrinkle resistant or recover quickly, and always wear your bulkiest layers and shoes on the airplane. Every pound you wear is one less pound your suitcase has to carry. The 5-4-3-2-1 method proves that style doesn't come from packing more, it comes from packing smarter. 5 tops, 4 bottoms, 3 layering pieces, 2 pairs of shoes, and 1 bonus item. Mix thoughtfully, accessorize creatively, and you'll have room in your suitcase for the things you want to bring home. Because souvenirs are much more fun than hauling around clothes you never wear. If you enjoyed this video and love mildly to wildly sarcastic travel advice and a lot less overpacking, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. And tell me in the comments, what's the most ridiculous piece of clothing you've ever packed just in case that never left the suitcase? Thanks for watching.